So my daughter has been making YouTube videos and she challenged me to make one today. My video is entitled Newbie Attorney. So I started my law practice in March and I am kind of taking stock of what I did wrong, what I didn't do enough, and what you should be thinking of doing if you want to start a law practice. So the first thing you have to do is do your research for about 3 to 6 months at least. Make sure you have done thorough research on websites and ACOs and whoever is going to be developing your website for you. Make sure you have done enough background check to see the works that they have done in the past. I didn't do that. And also, it is totally possible to do your own website. I wish I had done it myself. Probably would have had a better output. Now that you're done with the website, it's important that you decide on the primary area of practice you want to go into. Don't do too much, otherwise you get burnt out. But you can pick 2 or 3 practice areas and make sure you do at least once yearly on each practice areas, and make sure you go around to the court watching older attorneys do their thing. Make sure you're attending as many networking events as you can. Join a bar association. That's always helpful. I've found a lot of lawyers are always willing to help you get started. So now you've done your website, you've done your networking, you've done your CLEs, you now ready to start looking for an office space. So you have to decide, am I gonna office share or am I gonna get my own place? I got my own place. It's not super cheap, but it is affordable. Make sure the rent is one that you can afford to. Now, good practice is to have enough money that will pay you for at least 3 to 6 months, because the clients don't just start walking in from day one. You have growing pains, which I'm still experiencing, but it's gotten a little better. I can tell you that one of the greatest resources that I have found is to make use of what is free and affordable. When I say free and affordable, it means free. I'm not going to start paying for Green Sheet or start paying for Nolo.com or start paying for all of those services, because I simply can't afford it right now. There are other free products that are out there that you can take advantage of. Put your website and your name as many places as you can. Do YouTube videos like this. Hopefully somebody's gonna watch it and learn from it. Now, once you have done your YouTube videos or started a blog, I haven't done one yet, but I want to, because I really love to teach. You start a blog, make sure it's linked to your website. Make sure you are updating your blog very regularly. Make sure you are present. Create a Facebook page, create a LinkedIn page. I did a LinkedIn page, but I'm not very active on it. I probably should do a better job of it, but mine is there, but it's not active. But I'm very active on Facebook. I've gotten a call or two from Facebook, but where I have been most successful is just having my name out there. One of my clients found me on Google. That's still a shocker to me, but she did. So many bar associations, they offer referral services. If you can get an insurance license, that would help. I got an insurance license, so I'm able to be on the list for several bar association referral list. I haven't received a paying client yet, so I think there might be some other things you could do. But that was a cheaper way for me to go. Right now, I'm working on getting on some appointment lists to see if I can get some criminal clients that way. I'm trying to network within my community, make sure as many people get my cards. I'm talking to attorneys that have been successful, asking them, what are you doing? Making flyers, passing it out, putting your business cards everywhere. Those are some of the things I've been doing just to stay afloat. I don't have a lot of clients, but I'm hoping that the few clients that I have, once I do a good job for them, they can go out and share my information with other people. So if you are out there and you're wondering, can this be done? I can tell you, yes, it can be done. The first few months were brutal. I had to supplement my income by doing other legal work. You have to contact as many lawyers as you can, as many friends that you have. Ask them if they have any contract work, do appearances. But one thing I can tell you is if you want to do this, you want to do this full time. You want to spend your days going to court and just watching trials, getting the experience. You want to get in the faces of judges, make sure they know you, they know your name. Don't have a difficult name like mine. But some of the judges are beginning to know my name. What else? Agree to go speak to with people. If they want you to give talks, go ahead and do it. Do your research. If you don't really know much about that topic area, do your research. Go to churches, give free seminars if you can. Take on some pro bono cases, because by doing pro bono work, you're actually learning. When I first started, I did a couple of pro bono divorce cases, and that really helped me. First of all, I got all the resources that I needed. That really helped me to get some more confidence. If you can volunteer, bankruptcies, a lot of bar associations, they need help. So if you can do as many pro bono cases as you can do, that will help with your experience. What else? Other than that, I wish you the best. My name is Akpabio with the law office of Akpabio. My website address is www.akpabiolaw.com. My office phone number is 214-812-9234. My practice areas, primarily family law. I also do immigration and criminal defense work as well. All right, thanks for watching. Thanks, Emanuela. You made me do this. I love you. Bye.